गुड मॉर्निंग। हमने डी अलम्बर्ट प्रिंसिपल पढ़ा। अब हम लैग्रांजियन इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन डिराइव करेंगे डी अलम्बर्ट प्रिंसिपल की हेल्प से। हम जानते हैं, वी नो वेरी वेल दैट द पोजीशन वेक्टर इन जनरलाइज्ड कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम इज गिवन बाय आर आई इक्वल टू आर आई which is function of q1 q2 and so on and t. Then total differentiation with respect to t is given by dri by dt equal to partial differential of ri with respect to q1 into differentiation of q1 with respect to t, and similar step is repeated for all the q's. Okay, then we get n terms for q and one term for t. Then dri by dt is finally given by dri by dt equal to summation j equal to 1 to n del ri or del qj into qj dot is del q dqj by our dt plus del ri or del t. But dri by dt equal to vi, which is also uh, represented by ri dot. So ri dot equal to summation j equal to 1 to n del ri or del qj dot plus del ri or del t. Now differentiation of this equation with respect to qj dot, then del vi or del qj dot equal to del ri or del qj. Okay, since in right side only first term is a function of qj and second term is independent of qj, second term differentiation of second term with respect to qj is 0, and for a particular j the summation is removed, and the virtual displacement is given by, from equation 1, delta ri equal to del ri or del q1 delta q1 and so on. But ri, since the definition of virtual displacement, it does not depend on time, so last term del t depends, which dependent on time, is removed from this, and delta ri equal to del ri or del q1 delta q1 and so on till qn. Next, delta ri can be written as summation j equal to 1 to n del ri or del qj delta qj. Now we know from the D'Alembert principle, summation I equal to 1 to n fi minus pi dot del ri equal to delta ri equal to 0. Pi dot can be written as mi ri double dot. Okay, and delta ri we can put the value of delta ri from equation number 4. Then equation 5 becomes summation I equal to 1 to n fi minus mi ri double dot into summation j equal to 1 to n delta ri upon, sorry, del ri upon del qj delta qj equal to 0. Now there are two summations, one for I and another for j, so we can write it as summation I comma j equal to 1 to n fi delta ri qj dot delta qj minus mi ri double dot delta ri upon del qj delta qj equal to 0. Now first and second two terms are here. We consider first term, then summation I j equal to 1 to n fi delta ri or delta qj. Delta qj can be written as summation j bracket summation I fi delta ri or delta qj. Del ri or del qj. Fi del ri or del qj, it can be written as capital Qj, which is the component, jth component of generalized force, because Fi is